Welcome to Harrybilt Engineering, the market leader in rail machine conversions and specialised engineering for over 15 years. Harrybilt Engineering have over 30 years' experience in the engineering industry, with over 15 years in the specialised field of rail equipment. This provides us with the capability to effectively project manage complex projects. The project management services provided by Harrybilt Engineering ensure no detail is overlooked and the client can expect the highest quality outcomes and equipment is rail ready in a timely manner. Our experience with rail industry standards on a state-by-state basis and national industry standards enables us to work with clients all over the nation. Railway infrastructure construction and maintenance depends on the correct equipment for the job, equipment that is reliable and equipment that has been thoroughly tested and is compliant. Harrybilt have become a market leader in this specialised field of designing, manufacturing and testing high rail and rail guidance systems. Our customers know they can rely on Harrybilt for all their rail construction and maintenance equipment, as we know how to get the job done right.